Hi guys, and today we'll be doing the drum roll, please. We'll be going over one of the toys, the Harry Potter wand. You have 11 to collect, and it goes up to 4 inches like long. And if you are, how long? Oh yeah, so you have 11 to collect at 4 inches. Here's the 11. I'm hoping I get the Harry Potter because the movie's Harry Potter, obviously. Who does not want to get the Harry Potter wand? And if you're 0 to 3, I wouldn't get this wand. They're small pieces, don't get it. So don't ever get this one if you're 0 to 3. And here's another toy that's down there. Here, okay. You got a Pikmi Pop. So you know the regular Pikmi Pops? The regular ones? But this one it flips. The Pikmi flips, so it'll be like a pom, like this, like pom-pom, kind of like big, ginormous pom-pom, and then it flips into a little face, and that's so cute. And yeah. So you have 12 to collect. 12 to collect, and then new kind of candy Pikmis. Well, everyone should know Pikmis are awesome. And they're scented. I don't know what they're going to be scented. We'll find out. Here's a little example. This one is the donut ones. I have one of them. There's a rhino. It's a little rhino. And it smells like chocolate. It's a little rhino. It's a little donut rhino. So I got this from another case. If I can find that case, it'll be somewhere here. I don't know. I might find it then in another video. Why am I? So, you can go there. Have a good day. Bye. And our last toy is scissor. Because we had a couple of chains. So this is a very good toy. It's a very good toy. You know, guys, don't make this a toy. Don't ever. Adult supervision. Okay, if you need adult supervision, my mom behind the camera. I wouldn't do that, especially if you're on a bed, cut the bed cheek. But let's get started. But actually, it's kind of a challenge. So, like for example, we opened this Harry Potter one, and then we're like, I wouldn't get this toy if I were rather you. But that's kind of what we're gonna do with these two toys. And I got them from Best Buy today. So for first toy, we're gonna do it in Mini Mini Mo. Okay, we're going with the Harry Potter. You can sit there with your little friend right now. So the first Harry Potter one, I don't really need scissors for this one. I don't know if we're gonna honestly be needing scissors for either one. So let's open. Yeah, I think we're gonna need the scissors. There's tape on here. There we go. Here are. Oh no! Wait, which one is this? I don't know which one this is. We're gonna figure out. These shoes are very small. Abracadabra, you guys are frogs now. I'm just kidding. You're back now. Okay, so I think this goes in just like that. What? I'm confused. I think it's the other way. Like that. First of all, which one is it? Oh wait, I think it goes up to, yeah! Oh, that's so cool. Oh, wrong way. Oh. Yeah. Cool. This is actually really cool. So I think if I can come up here, I think this one is I think it's this one. I think so, huh? But it has blue on it. I don't really think this is a stand, so I'm going to just keep this aside for now. I'll just be right there. So now we're going to get ready to put our Pikmi Pop. Come here, Pikmi Pop. So this one, I don't really think we're going to need scissors because it's right here. Come closer, guys. It says, pull here. So we're just going to... Oh. We're gonna need these. Okay, here we go. Okay, here. There, that's off. Guys, comment down below, what do you think we should do? Like, I feel like we had to remove the horn. Nope. Okay, so it kind of took us some time to like open it. So, and it has some sharp edges. So my mom kind of had to help me like cut this little hole in it. There was like a line, like this dot line that we're supposed to cut. So now I think we just had to do it. Oh, I feel it. There. I think we're getting it. Let's kind of take this, cut it out like. Okay guys, so I kind of paused the video so that way I could kind of rip out this outer part right here. So, oh, it's so fuzzy. Okay, I want to see how do you flip it? Okay, there's purple right here. I feel like we're getting it. Oh, it's a beanbag. Guys, give a small beanbag. Oh, I think I know. So I think, So I think I know what this is. You know, when you get these, you get some items to go with it. So I think we're gonna open this at the very end. First, we're gonna go around with this. So it's a purple little, I think it's a rabbit. I don't know. Let's see here on the little tag. There's a tag here. It's a mouse. Marsha the mouse. Oh, she has a tail. I didn't realize that. She has a little taily. And you can barely see her eyes, like, and see, you can tell. Okay, so it's a furry. It's like a little. I just like being a cat. Don't mind that. It's so furry, and I like the color. It's like a magenta color, and the ears are like blue inside. Oh, it's like sticking out his tongue. His little smelly tongue. And like his eyes are like getting covered. That's so cute. So on to how you flip it. So how you flip it, you have like, this is the color. You get like, it's all purple here and it's all rainbow right here. So you have to grab it and tuck it under. Oh. It's very hard to get back. So I think I'm going to show you a little bit more of the top, and then we'll get back to the bottom and I'll show you more of that. So, okay. There's a little, it kind of looks like a rabbit, but then you look at the tail. So cute. So very. So cute. I like the ears. So I think we're gonna try to flip it back now. This is very hard. Okay, wait. Calm down. Meditate for a sec. Okay, I think we're ready now. I know I just did that, honestly. Okay, guys, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I can see it. Hey. Right there is a palm. It's gonna tuck in this part. That's good enough. So here's the little palm. It's all colorful. It's all the colors of the unicorn: blue, purple, and pink. It's like it's so fuzzy. Look. It's a little pillow. Okay. So cute. It's so rainbowy. Like the colors are so pop up. You can easily find this. It's like unicorn fuzzy ball. It's a little fuzzy ball. It's a fuzzy ball. Wait, I forgot. It's scented. I fell in love with it. It smells like strawberry. Her scent is marshmallow. It says right there, marshmallow. She smells so good. Oh my god. She smells adorable. Is there any like rhino that can be friends with this rhino right here? No rhino? There's no rhino. The little puffy ball. Oh, I forgot. Hi, puffy ball. So we got the little puffy ball. I feel like the animal is too cute. I think we're going back to the animal again. Pop up. Here you go. Here we are. Oh, little mouse. It looks like a rabbit. I cannot. It's just literally all is a rabbit. It looks so like a rabbit, but then you look at the tail, it's like, I'm a little mouse. Yep. It's nice. It's very fuzzy. It's a fuzzy ball. That almost fell through the crack. It's a little fuzz ball. But it's also a mouse at the same time. Wow. It's very cute. It's my pet. It's gonna live in my room now because I have a lot of toys surrounding my room. So this is gonna be one of my. It's gonna live here. Okay, we'll come back to it. So let's go back. A bunch of toys there. Don't mind. Those are McDonald's toys. So tuck you back in. We're gonna tuck it back in and we're gonna open the blind bag that they gave. Like, what could that be? Like, it's like, sounds like gems. I don't know why. But let's just get to it. You can say that, fuzzball. Say it. So let's get to this. We're gonna use our scissors again. Like we're gonna go. What is this? Wait, what? What is this? Does it go around it? No. I don't think it goes around it. But what is this? This is actually really cute. It's a ring. So we're gonna figure. We got this blue thingy. It's actually really pretty. I might just hang it in my room. It's very pretty. Oh, guys, look at that. It's like, it's so pretty. Like, you can like change it. You get that color shine. Guys, see it? Okay, so we got that. It says, you look like mice. I do not look like mice. I do not think I look like mice. I'm not a mouse like you. I'm very sorry. You're a puffball. I'm a puffball with you. I'm very sorry, but sometimes I do look like mice because you're on mice too. Okay, so that's actually really made in China. Okay, you're made in China. So your birthday will be in China. We're not going to China for it. Okay. I don't get what this is like. What is this? Okay, so we're done with our toy haul, our 2 toys. So let's bring them up. Why are you not around, huh? So guys, there we go. So we got a magic wand, and we got a little mouse. Oh wait. Okay, so I think I would honestly get this, even though it'd go through a lot and it's very hard to open and it's very hard to find the opening spot. But it's very puffy. It's also hard to flip, but I would still recommend it. It's a puff ball. It's very cute as well. So I would recommend it. This one, I would kind of recommend it. I don't really know, but so far I don't really recommend it so far, probably because I'm just new to it. And yeah, so I think that's done for the toy haul, my 2 toys. So I hope you like, share with your friends, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Peace out.